Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable rice soup. First, gather all your fresh vegetables and essential pantry items. Ensure you have a good quality broth and your preferred type of rice ready. This simple recipe is perfect for a comforting meal, offering warmth and nutrition in every spoonful. We'll start by preparing our ingredients for a smooth cooking process. Let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by finely chopping 1 cup each of carrots, celery, and onions. These aromatic vegetables form the base of our soup. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic to add a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, measure out 1/2 cup of your chosen uncooked rice, ensuring it's rinsed if necessary. Now let's cook. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onions, sautéing until they soften about 5 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic for 1 minute. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth and add the rice. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until the rice is tender. Almost done. Once the rice is cooked, stir in 1 cup of fresh chopped spinach, allowing it to wilt for just a couple of minutes. Taste the soup and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs, such as parsley or cilantro, for a burst of color and flavor. Enjoy your delicious homemade vegetable rice soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.